All right, so if you're choosing to edit your movie with iMovie, I want to show you some of the features of iMovie. So this is what you do. You'd open up a new project. So I'm just going to cancel this for now and show you. So you create new movie. And then you want to import your video. So oftentimes you'll see that your photo library is on the left, and it will include all the photos and videos that you've used in the past. So another option though is to download stuff. So you can download from your desktop. You can drag files in. So you can actually open up, or let's say, so here are some videos I made with my nieces sledding the other day. So you can airdrop them from your iPhone, and you can literally just drag and drop, and the movies go in. You can also open them up in your photos and drag them in. It's totally up to you. So here's how it works. You take your video and you place it down here. You drag it all the way down. Now be careful. If you upload 2 videos, it's going to drag them both in. So make sure you click off, drag the one that you want. So it then creates the video, and it also gives you the opportunity to have the sound on. So for those of you that are using sound, you can press this play button and it shows you the video itself. Now, I filmed mine straight up like this. That leaves me with a lot of black on the side. So you can click this little button here and you can put crop to fill. And what it does is it gives you a fill space. So let's say I want to do this one. Now I can see so much closer in that crop space. So if you don't want to do that, you can click it and just do fit, and it'll do the whole thing. What Ken Burns does is it starts at a certain point and then moves the camera up to another point. So if we take a look at what Ken Burns would look like here, it starts here and it moves up to see the top of the screen. So for your purposes, you might not want to do that. So again, crop to fill is probably best if you want to show your basic steps. So now that you've got your video set up the way that you want it to be set up, you want to add a title to the beginning. So there's all sorts of different options, and all you do is you click and drag. So the title can sit atop your video, or the title can go in front of your video. So you can have it on a black screen. To change the words, all you do is click on it, delete this text. You can add your own text. Now, if you don't want just a black background before it starts, you can add your own backgrounds from here. You can also upload free backgrounds from online, but it's totally up to you. So let's say I wanted to add this gradient background, just give it an old-timey feel, and you can put your title up top, and now you'll see that the title shows up over top of the background. So the other thing you're going to want to think about is transitions in between your videos. So in between my title and my actual video, I think I'd like to cross dissolve. I really like how that looks. It takes one and blends it into the other. Keep in mind that depending on the transition you use, it'll do different things to your titles. So keep that in mind. But you can always move your titles and adjust them. So let's maybe do mosaic here and have it change. Totally up to you. Now, you want to add probably a title to the beginning and the end of your video. But the other thing you might want to do is add audio. So iMovie comes with a variety of audio that you can use. But on mine, I have purchased some extra audio that I can use, but these are the main ones. So you can select and listen. And then when you have selected the audio you want, you again just drag it below. And now when you play it, it blends the music with what you've already created. Notice how you can hear both things. So you can hear both the audio and the sound. However, if your audio is too loud, you just click on it till it highlights yellow. Click on the volume button and you can turn your background music up or down. Just like on your video, you can turn your video music up or down until you get a